Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to share with you my top 5 solar tools today. And I'm going to start off with the biggest one here, and this is the TemCo. This is the model TH0006, and this is basically a hydraulic terminal lug crimper. It's capable of crimping as low as 12 gauge and then all the way up to 2-aught, which is the larger battery cables I run to connect the batteries in combination of series and parallel, as well as connect the battery bank into the inverter. Excellent tool. Basically, you're going to turn it to the on, crank it, and it's going to crimp that where you need it. And it's pretty self-explanatory as far as that one goes. Next up, pretty common everyday item, but this is the Klein tools. It's the 11-in-1 screwdriver. Basically, it's going to have 3 different sizes of bolt drivers. You've got one there, and when you pull these out on each side, there's a different one on each side. So it's 3/8, 5/16, and 1/4 inch. And then you have 2 different Phillips sizes, a number 1 and a number 2, and 2 different slotted sizes. This is going to be the 1/4 inch and then 3/16. Once you pull that out, you've got on the other side, again, it's going to be additional bolt drivers, and then the other bolt driver sizes here. And then on this side, you're going to have 2 of the square drives, and the square drives are a number 1 and a number 2. And then this one is going to be Torx, and it's a Torx 10 and a Torx 15. The next item anyways, so once again it's going to be another Klein tools. This is kind of one of their all-purpose pliers is what they refer to it as. This specific one is the Journeyman 207-8CR, and the CR identifies this part right here, which is the crimper. So you can crimp terminal lugs and so forth. They got to be the bare type, not covered. One of my favorite parts for this particular tool is the bolt cutoffs. So you can do on here, it will identify the 2 different sizes. So it's an 8x32 and then a 6x32. You've got your cutoff piece here, and then several different sizes of wire shield removers. So you've got this one identifies STR for stranded, so this is the gauge that you would use for doing the stranded wire, and this is the side that you'd use for doing solid core. Another one you've definitely got to have is this is just a Radio Shack digital multimeter. I tried finding the actual model number. Best I could find was the category number 22-812. Radio Shack multimeter. Operates on 1 9-volt. It's pretty nice. It's got this nice rubber casing around it to protect it. A little stand if you need to set it up while you're testing things. And the last item, this one was a recommendation from another YouTuber. I'll toss him in the comments here. This is a really nice item. It's a portable refractometer for testing your batteries. This particular one is an ATC brand. So it comes with a cloth to wipe it off, as well as a syringe, a pipette, and a small screwdriver for calibrating each time. And then along with that, the refractometer. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the solution. First, you're going to calibrate, and you're going to put just the distilled water on there, and then calibrate, because just a little bit of temperature difference can actually change the results quite a bit. Then you throw the cover over it, and then you'll look at it through the water, or look at it into the light, and the light's going to go through the water. And then I've got a little picture here so you can kind of see what that looks like. So on here, when you are calibrating, this bottom line down here, where it says water line, that is going to be where you calibrate it to. And then when you look through it with the actual battery water in here, wherever the blue line falls, in this case it's going to be at 1.27, that's going to give you your state of charge, and that's per cell inside the battery. That way you can make sure that your batteries are where they're supposed to be and calibrate, and then you can also add your water and maintain your batteries. Alrighty, thank you very much, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. But those are my top 5 tools that I have used throughout my solar project, and take care.